describing something. And here we say describer. You describer? No. And it's or a pronoun. Right. You know what is nouns is, not so? Yes, nouns are what are nouns? Names of places, people, or things, right? And pronouns now, it takes the place of a noun. Good, so let's continue what we have at the bottom here. Descriptive
adjective tells what kind, what color, what size, what shape.
Good, so it tells what kind, what color, what size, and what shape. Right? So it describes those things. Right? For example, Sancho. What color of short Sharuk is wearing?
Yellow.
Yellow. So the word, so we looking at color. Right? Okay. Thank you. Good. So let's look at somebody with a size. Stand Rebecca. Is Rebecca a fat girl or a slim person?
Slim person.
Well, she is a slim child, so slim tells or describes her size. You understand?
Yes, miss.
Good. So when you're thinking about descriptive adjective, always remember it is describing something. Right here, yeah? Good. So over here we have 3 examples here. Vashni, stand and read the first example we have here. A skillful artist. Very good, Vashni. So, when you are looking at the descriptive adjective, it asks what kind, right? So here I have in the bracket, it says, what kind of artist? Which word there in that sentence in that would describe the artist? Skillful, very good. So, what kind of artist? Which word would describe the artist? Skillful. Skillful. So, I'm going to underline, right? So, we have a. So this word describes the artist. Annalise, stand and read number 2. A brave soldier. Good. So what kind of soldier? Which word would describe the soldier there? Brave. Very good. So the word brave would describe this. Right, Sean? So the word brave would describe the soldier. Good. Number 3. Alicia, please stand and read number 3. Jolie, please help Alicia. Very good. A soft-spoken nurse. Alright, now at the bottom it says, what kind of nurse? Which word there is going to describe the nurse? Soft-spoken. Very good. So the word soft-spoken is going to describe the nurse of how she talks, right? So do you think you understand now words that will describe a noun or a pronoun or something? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So let's just go back to these examples here. Let's read the first one. it. Good. Do you understand? You understand what are we doing today?
Yes, miss.
Good. So I'm going to give you an exercise to do and see how well or how if you understand what is a descriptive adjective. Good. So let us read what the exercise says. Underline the descriptive.
Adjectives in the following sentences.
Good. So let us read through the questions or the sentences that we have there. And then you are going to do what the activity is asking. Number one, let's read number one.
The boys were involved in criminal activities.
Good. The boys were involved in criminal activities. Number two, let's read number two together. Good. She was almost bitten by a venomous snake. Number three. It was a clear, beautiful night. Number four. very good. Keep it up. Anybody else finish? Very good. Who else finished? Response, wonderful, natural. Good, but you got one incorrect, right? Look back at that one here. Sensible, not wonderful. Natural, not the woman. Pure, reasonable. Right? Okay, well done. What Cheryl did. Criminal, venomous. Yes, that is not response. Wonderful. And sensible. Natural. Pure. Reasonable. Right? So, well done, but then we didn't still get it. Okay. Fashion, you finished? describe the activities. Right? She was almost bitten by a venomous snake. What type of snake? It was clear, beautiful night. What type of night? Clear and a beautiful night. The sensible child gave a wonderful response. What kind of child? Sensible. So the word sensible describes the child. The woman had a natural beauty. Which word describes the woman there? Natural. We drank pure orange juice. Which word describes the orange juice there? Pure, right? It was a reasonable offer. What kind of offer? Reasonable. So the word reasonable describes the offer, right? So in all, most of you did a very good job, right? So give yourself a fingernail clap like this. Not everybody got all correct, so most of you understand what are we talking about, right? So let's read back what our topic is. What kind of adjective? Well, the descriptive adjective. What it does? It describes. What to describe? Noun or a pronoun, right? Good. So in our next lesson, we are going to look at another kind of adjective. So this brings us to the end of our lesson for today.